Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Jeremy Paul Bentulin. I'm a Houston-based photographer and videographer, and on today's video, we are going to be installing one of the last LED upgrades to my 2019 Ford Ranger by LasFit. These are their high beams. Here are the LasFit High Beams. The SKU number is LA plus 9005, and you can purchase these directly on LasFit's website at lasfit.com. So guys, this is specific to the XL and the XLT trims of the 2019 Ford Ranger, as the Lariat models do come with their own factory LEDs. So these are just replacing the stock halogen bulbs that are within the high beam housing. And as you can see here, we are going to go ahead and begin the installation. It's a very simple process, about 5 minutes or so. You just reach behind where the high beams are located and take off the dust cap. And from here, just unplug the power wiring harness, replace it with the new LEDs. And in regards to orientation of the new LED bulbs, just make sure they're in a vertical position so that the chips are facing left and right, so that the light bounces off and reflects correctly in the housing unit. So from there, guys, it's as simple as popping the dust cap back on and turning on your truck and testing them out. And as you can see on the left, the OEM halogen bulbs does not mix well with the LasFit daylight running lamps that I currently have installed. And on the right is with the high beams from LasFit. Definitely brighter, and you can see more of the surrounding area. As you can see again, the right is our LasFit, and it definitely has a longer throw. In this clip here, you see the OEM Ford, and in this clip here, this is LasFit. Much more color match, cleaner look, and again, definitely much brighter than OEM. Hoping this video was straightforward and to the point so that you could see the upgrade from a stock halogen high beam bulb to LasFit's high beam LED. So guys, check out their website at lasfit.com. As of November 27th, 2024, they're running $69.99, about $10 off. And with my coupon code in the description below, hit that link so you can get a tasty discount. Hope you learned something from this review, and if you do get some yourselves, looking forward to seeing those sweet upgrades. Awesome, guys. Don't forget to check them out at lasfit.com. Alright guys, thanks for checking out this video. As you can see, the LasFit high beams have been installed, and thank you for watching this review video. I appreciate LasFit for sending these babies out for us to put on the Ranger and complete our LED upgrade for the truck. Guys, if you can't tell from the footage, it definitely is brighter than the stock halogen high beams, and I definitely recommend adding this as an affordable upgrade for if you're looking for one for your truck. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you LasFit for sponsoring this video, and we will see you in the next one.